morning, good afternoon, and good night, everybody. My name is Sinus, and today we're in the kitchen. And today's lesson and topic: how to teach a Wotless girl how to cook.
Oh!
Girl, you better can cook. Think you have your pretty look. You want to go a restaurant and come done man back book. Recipe book. Go in the kitchen cause you and them no look. What's on there? Wake them youth! Wake up! Calm down. Chill. Hi everybody. Happy Sunday. We're here with the chef. The person for the boogie this name no Jesus.
Party boy!
No boogie in there. We're here with the woman of the moment, the woman of the time, the woman of the seasoning, the woman of pepper, Miss Sinus. Miss Sinus, talk to them what are we doing today. Sinus, good morning. Here's Miss Sinus in the morning. She has sweat, she's working hard. Today, Miss Sinus is seasoning some sprat. This is the Jesus special. With some curry chicken. And fried chicken right now. Here Miss Sinus putting it in there. Wanna watch? Gyal better can cook. Think you there for your pretty look. You won't go a restaurant to come down with that book. A recipe book. Going out of the kitchen, got your hand them the nook. And what's right here, Miss Sinus?
Peas is pressuring.
The peas is pressuring. It's pressuring. What we're cooking today: rice and peas and curry chicken and sprat and fried chicken. So the curry chicken, the sprat and the fried chicken is also in the fridge right there with the rice and peas. Joe, I know you'd love this, my brother. I know. We're coming to you soon, man. See me clean off the stove this morning too. Yeah? I've cleaned off a place before. Yes. So Miss Sinus, so your feet over that now, Miss Sinus, you put on it. Garlic powder.
It's not necessary, but it's spicy.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Make it sassy. Yeah. So Miss Sinus, how you feeling today?
Hot.
Yeah, it's very hot. Hey, so Miss Sinus, what going for breeze the other day, 2 days ago? What happened? Tell them what happened.
Hold on to the beer light.
Miss Sinus, I'm going to tell them what really happened. You know, say I poop, Debbie poop. Yeah, man, we have one little chaff out. I see you 7 days from away. Yeah, man, mama just give you a taste. She just bust a one. And just.
Then, so when you cook the curry chicken.
Yeah, anyway, back to
make
food.
it sweat a little bit.
Like keep
Don't
sweat.
make it burn.
Yeah.
But some people them burn them curry before. But you see, if you know how to cook curry, it won't run your belly.
Yeah.
So, I burn it, but I didn't have no time for that a while ago.
Yeah.
So, I just make it a sweat, do it like a thing, and then I pour a little water upon it. I cover it up, make it sweat a little more.
Yeah.
Then I pour a little water upon it.
Yeah.
Full of pepper.
Yeah, I like that. Spicy.
I now use a big pot, but I use a little.
A little bit of everything, you know? Yeah. See, alright. Here it is.
Fried chicken.
The fried chicken. So go back, put some flour on that and beer things and things.
Fridge, no fly touch it.
Yeah, she put it in the fridge because she don't want any flies to touch it. Well, I'm sound like an echo too. Father God. But anyway, peeps. As for me, Miss Sinus, we circle back. As for me, what I am doing right now is, I'm pinning out some clothes today. So this is another lesson for Wotless girl. So if you don't know, you have to cook and clean.
Oh!
So yeah, you know what I mean, Miss. It's only right if Miss Sinus cook and me just pin out the clothes them. So if you have washing machine and you don't have no dryer, you hear that Wotless girl. Yeah, so if you don't have them, you have to pin. You have to pin out the clothes. The first step of pinning out the clothes is you get a pin. See? Pin. You need a pin to pin up clothes. So this is for all of the Wotless girl them who don't know the damn thing there. So you gotta put the clothes over the line and pin it. Tutorial 101 how to pin up clothes. This is the Wotless girl edition. Eh? I will if a Wotless girl or Wotless man about it, you know? This is the Wotless man and the Wotless girl edition. So first, what you're going to do is take the clothes. I'm going to put it over the line like so. You see that? You put it over the line like so. And then you're going to use the pin like this and pin it up like that. You see? That is how you pin up clothes for all the workless girls who don't know how to pin up clothes. That's how you pin. The next tutorial after this, I'm going to teach workless girl how to sweep. Because some of you can't sweep and mop floor to save on life. Right? But fun and joke aside still, even though I joke me around with enough things, I real talk. Some girl really workless. Some girl really workless. Them can't. So, girls. It's Jamaican. Okay, some girls really. I'm just, well, alright, let me be honest, guys. I don't call women girl. But the reason why I'm saying that is just the whole skit, just for dramatize on everything. Yeah. You know what I mean? Some man and some girl workless still. Them never even have pin up clothes. Like in a real life. In a Jamaica, you have some girls still. And some man still really workless. Them can't have iron clothes. That's very bad. But anyway, peeps. But there, pin up some things. And then guess what? What's that? Me have a pull up my pole. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, man, I pull up my pole. When I'm done, I bring my speaker outside with my jinx and beer things. I'm chuck off in my plastic pool. Youth, I want to know, dog. Every ghetto youth have a pool. Every ghetto youth have a pool. But swim right now and swim Every ghetto youth have a pool. Whether it's small and it big like river Yeah, you know what I mean? Anyway, let me start with foolishness. I go and pin up some clothes. I go pin up some clothes and thing. And yo, place dark, man. You know, pin up some clothes and thing. And all them things. My son said she put the water upon the chicken now after a few minutes. You know what I mean? So yeah, if simmer down and everything off, make up the gravy and make sure it bossy and nice. At that time, yeah, she'll cover it up back and make it simmer and it start cooking. You know what I mean? Cook up everything in the middle of the chicken like that. The raw part go to the outside part. You know what I mean? You go and watch it and monitor it and stir it up. You know what I mean? Every few minutes and you know what I mean? You know the thing got don't make it burn, turn it down midway and then thing there. So yeah. Shout out to my brother Joe. Shout out to Adachi. Yo, me give my brother. Yo, Mr. William. Shari Parry. Where the star? Mommy to Nemi. Yo, get them. Yo, Talify. Predal. Analyze. Energy. Yo, Denny, my sister, big sis. Leisha. I sees you. The whole crew. Everybody. Yo, Pixel. Boy, God, man. Yeah, man. Anyway. When you go on journey with the boy, I'm pin up them things. Because the place I get like a dark now, yeah? Alright, later. Alright, vlog world. So I just done pin up the clothes them and thing. So my sinus there now. So I take out the strap them. The pot, fried chicken there, or there bubble. Patagonia, you know. What? What is the saying?
The rice of the one.
Yeah, the rice of the guan is so sweat. Sun na normal out the door, yo. Yeah. But we there vlog world, man. We here doing our thing. Miss Sinus. No, sir. Wagwan. So vlog world. See we there. Miss Sinus just done chef up the food right now. I just what left now, Miss Sinus? The rice and peas.
Yeah, the peas did take like a while for pressure.
It's tough.
Now you have some peas just tough.
Tough, that one the turban. But we there vlog world, let's go and take it easy. Yeah. It's been a day, man. At what time now, Miss Sinus? After
2:45.
2:45 in the afternoon. Yeah, normally 3-4 o'clock them say at dinner time. But yeah, we're there, man. Just there chill on the back steps. Round at the back.
My feet hurt.
My Sinus foot hurt. And thing, but
why did we even pull up the pool? Are we going in?
yeah, me are going there. Me are going to the pool and go play some music. I might go live too. Yeah. I'm going to chillax and go and play some music in the background. And thing. Could have pin out some clothes, but clothespin limited. Yo, whole like clothespin them mash up. Buy one pack, but boy, that wasn't enough, man. Over there, vlog girl. Go and take it easy, man.
Did you just say twick it easy?
Take it easy.
Oh, I thought you said twick it easy.
Bruh. Yo, now tell a live vlog girl, a whole heap of things are going on the summer here, me and my sinus and miss it. Whole heap of event, you know. Yo, that's why I want to go back out the vlog girl. Let me tell you what reach me. You see, if I'm able to go back out there, I can make back the links them and connection when I get be a free ticket. Because see most of the events them only they see me go, I don't pay for going on none of them. I never really pay for going on none of them. 90% of them I never pay. Be a free pass me get. Trust me. Because all Akan there. John no start that.
Convict.
The Akan boss, that in a shot. But yeah man, you go on. Just go and upload something on the page, make you know what I go on. And I work on it, vlogger. I not tell no lie. I miss the events them. I miss go the thing them and film for Uno. And to be honest too. Yeah. Also to be honest, vlogger, that phone here, I don't really feel film still. I really want back a vlog camera. I want get back at the iPhone, the 8. I sign us have one 8 there. If I can get a film with that, I'm good because it show pretty.
I'm just gonna give that.
You know what I mean? Or I just need to get back one S10 or a S9 and just reprogram it. But that phone here is a lot. But need back a vlog phone and that what I work on so we can do back road and start vlog. You know what I mean? But we're there. We're going to take it easy and just go and journey with the boy. You know, done yet, man. When I be chuck off in the pool, all of you going to see me in the pool. I'm going to swim.
Them not see me.
Bye. Anyway, yes, I mean, them want to say, yeah. But I knows and they are knows. But yeah, man, vlogger, let's go and kick it back, man. We're going to touch back road. Me and my sinus. I try balance out something in our life. And once we get it, we're going to do road. Promise you know that, especially, you know what I mean, certain things work out. We're going to do road, man. We're going to road monger. Yeah, man. But anyway, but there. We're going to journey the boy. Wagwan vlog world, so. Boy, you not go bust me head. I forget for me couldn't see the plate of food. Sorry. I was very hungry, man. I was very, very hungry. I was very hungry. We just dashing the food, but yeah, Miss Sinus cook a shell piece of food. I wish you guys were here and I share to do. She even cook ackee and saltfish too. Nice. So me, rice and peas, fried chicken, curry chicken with the gravy, ackee and saltfish. Nice. Some nice, just simple juice, tang, and then some whole heap of water. Because I've been drinking more water more than anything. Vlog world, you know what I mean? Yeah, as you clearly can see, I'm here in my little pool. My little plastic pool in the back of the yard. I cool down, the place hot. The place hot, man. So, just there, take it easy, vlog world. Tomorrow, I go up on the road and I go make you roll with me. Tomorrow we going to Portland, the last show for the month. Hopefully it no cancel or nothing no go on. I pray to God. But in all honesty, I hope August would be a better month for us so we can do road and do some other fun things. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. My goal live later. Still I try understand the whole descendant thing for all of my gamer people them. The new Sinus Gaming page. I'm also on Twitch at Sinus Live. I go fix my phone for all the people them who I wonder about my phone. Yeah, I fix my phone. I have to fix the phone because I have a little A20, but boy, it costs an arm and leg for replace the screen, Yeah, so me go possibly I'll try see if me can fix it. Yeah, fix it and then thing there. You know? Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Let me know in the comment section how was your day? What you did today? Anything special happened today? You know? Yeah, what you do now? Time is what? I think it's about after 4 now, in the afternoon. Let me know, man. The sinus inside a rest. Yeah, with the walk go shop. We not even get a flag that. Sigh. Yeah, but, yeah, so just there. Flag where my sinus arrest her foot and her foot hurt her. So she just inside a rest. I have some holy pack clothes for fold up because we did some washing today. Not everything, but wash most of the clothes then today and thing. So yeah. Well, I pretty much eat this for the day, you know. Some little thing I chop ants are dropping on my thing. But anyway, yeah peeps. Pretty much eat this for the day. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much for chilling with your boy. I'm going to push to try to be more engaging. Bigger and better vibes in regards to the vlogs. More energy and just do the thing better, bigger and better. I'm a roll on I'm plaka. You, yeah. Yeah, so big up to the whole Sinus Gaming crew, big up to Adachi, big up to Talify, big up to Predal, Salim, big up to Sherry Sinus, Miss Sinus, big up to Maki Sinus, you know what I mean? Marja Sinus, Tire Sinus, Cookie Sinus, Baby Sinus, Mr. Williams Sinus, big up to First Dance Studio, Auntie Jody. Pick up yourself. Yeah. Yo. Shari Pari. Big up yourself, my friend. Big up the big brother to Predal. Yeah, I'm always bigging up all my people. I just have to understand I love them. You know what I mean? For me, it's not all about a crowd more time, you know. It's just having the people them around me who support the thing and believe in the thing. You heard? Yeah, man. So just continue, stay focused, stay positive, stay motivated, keep you pushing to the top. You ain't gonna stop. Big up yourself, Mystic Got Jokes. That's a Mystic Got Jokes quote remix. And remember that nothing can stop us. Because God will rock. Whoop. I'll see you guys another day. Love you very much. Here, happy Sunday.
Love at take over the city, no more of the iniquity. Girl, them a come out and you're the one that them look cute and pretty. Me and me virgin.